Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 6, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a promising investment opportunity, classifying it as a buy candidate with a score of 2.49. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a growth of 6.97% since then. This translates to an average daily return of 1.16% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected that the stock may react and move towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $188.87, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the current trend suggests a possible change of 27.35%, with a potential return ranging between 19.37% and 28.78%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 56.81%, which could result in a potential return between 27.46% and 58.27%. This would translate to a price range of $238.07 to $295.62 after 1 year. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for CrowdStrike as stock downgraded to buy candidate. The stock price of CrowdStrike experienced a decrease of -0.776% on the last trading day, which was Monday, November 6, 2023. The price went down from $188.24 to $186.78. Throughout the day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 3.21%, starting from a low of $183.60 and reaching a high of $189.50. Interestingly, the stock has seen an increase in value for 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total rise of 4.3% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which can be considered a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, on the last trading day, the volume decreased by -1 million shares. Overall, 2 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of approximately $361.50 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $191.98, while the lowest price recorded was $92.25. At the moment, the price is 2.71% or $5.20 lower than the 52-week high. Furthermore, the stock is currently 37.42% or $111.70 below its all-time high, which occurred on November 10, 2021, with a price of $298.48. Let's take a look at the signals for CrowdStrike. The CrowdStrike stock is showing positive indications with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This suggests a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $180.05 and $175.16. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. It's worth noting that some negative signals have also been observed, which could potentially impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, November 3, 2023, resulting in a -0.776% decline. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is identified. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow the price movements. Today, we're going to discuss some interesting signals that you should pay attention to in your trading strategy. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence-divergence signal, indicating a selling opportunity. Next, we have the pivot signal, which also suggests a selling opportunity that occurred 2 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal presents a buying opportunity that emerged 18 days ago. Looking at the short-term moving average, we have a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal, which occurred 7 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal that emerged 46 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here, the short moving average presents a buy signal that occurred 4 days ago. However, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal that appeared 132 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, on the other hand, suggests a buy signal that emerged 165 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike, a popular stock, has found support from accumulated volume at $181.82. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is tested. Now, let's discuss the risk associated with this stock. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the latest data, the stock moved $5.90 between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 3.21% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.47%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is crucial as it measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2023 is expected on November 27, 2023. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.740. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $187.14. If you're not yet invested, it may be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. However, if you already own shares, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock price. Today, we are recommending a stop-loss level of $178.76, which represents a decrease of 4.29% from the current stock price. This particular stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk involved. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend for CrowdStrike stock. This indicates that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. When looking at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 7th, we anticipate CrowdStrike to open down $0.153 and start trading at $186.63. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to help you navigate the world of securities. However, it's crucial to note that you should not solely rely on our information when making investment choices. By utilizing the information we provide, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We encourage you to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before buying or selling any securities. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on this stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. We're also curious to know what your target is for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day ahead.